Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on scale drawing. Scale drawings are very important in real life. Many projects require scale drawings on paper before the real structure is built. Scale drawings are popular with architects, engineers, town planners, etc. Maps are a very good example of scale drawings. Here's a very simple map with a few places on it, and the scale is to 1:10,000. Let's see what that means. The map on the left has a scale of 1:10,000. This means that 1 centimetre on the map represents 10,000 centimetres in real life. That is, 1 centimetre on the map is 100 metres in real life. Let's have a look at a few examples. The distance on the map between Smuggler's Cove and Looter's Lookout is 8 centimetres. So the difference from there to there on the map is 8 centimetres. How far is this distance in real life? So 1 centimetre on the map represents 100 metres in real life. So 8 centimetres represents 8 times 100 metres, which is 800 metres. Number 2. On the map, Pirates Point and Newland are 12.5 centimetres apart. That's on the map. How far is this distance in real life? So 1 centimetre on the map represents 100 metres in real life. Therefore 12.5 centimetres on the map represents 12.5 times 100, which is 1,250 metres. Here we have another map, and the scale for the above map is 1:1000. Using this scale, answer the given questions. Number 1. What is the real distance from Clear Spring to Lightning Tree if the distance on the map is 8 centimetres? So 1 centimetre on the map represents 10 metres in real life. Therefore 8 centimetres represents 8 by 10 metres, which is 80 metres. Number 2. What is the real distance from Lookout Point to Boffin's Grave if the distance on the map is 15 centimetres? So 1 centimetre on the map represents 10 metres in real life. Therefore 15 centimetres represents 15 by 10 metres, which equals 150 metres. If the real distance from Campfire Hollow to Treasure Chest is 95 metres, how far is this distance on the map? So 10 metres in real life is 1 centimetre on the map, so 95 metres in real life represents 9.5 centimetres on the map. So this video has given us a basic introduction of scale drawing. And it's very important whenever we are given a map to understand what the scale is on the map, and using that scale we can work out particular distances in real life.